Identify the track components. It's best to assemble the track system inverted on a table or workbench. Preloading the floor pulley applies tension to the pulley spring. To preload the pulley, extend the pulley's armature, locate the hole in the side of the armature, and insert a nail in the hole. Then release the armature. Loosen the mounting bolt of the live end pulley. This is the pulley with two wheels. If the system is a one-way draw, you will use only one master carrier. Skip the steps involving the first master carrier in the following video. Loosen the cord connector wing nuts on the master carriers. Make sure that the cord connectors are loose enough that you can easily thread the cable between the cord connector and the master carrier body. Loosen the mounting bolt of the dead end pulley. This is the pulley with a single wheel. Next, place the master carriers at their respective ends of the track. Note the orientation of the master carriers with the wheels facing towards the outside of the track. It's important to maintain this configuration through the entire process in order to keep the cable from getting bound in the track. Thread the cable through the wheel of the live end pulley. Make sure you use the wheel on the same side of the track as the master carrier that's in front of it. Tape the end of the cut cable. This will make it easier to thread through the master carrier and cord connector. Thread the cord through the cord connector of the master carrier. On this master carrier, the cable will be going straight through the carrier, so there will not be any cut ends at this master carrier. Continue the cord to the other end of the track. Thread it around the single wheel of the dead end pulley. Thread the cord through the master carrier on the side closest to the dead end pulley. Leave approximately 6 to 8 inches of cable protruding from the master carrier. This will be used to apply tension to the cable at a later time. Take the remaining end of the operating cable and thread it through the wheel of the floor pulley. Make sure the operating cord is threaded through the floor pulley correctly. Thread the operating cord through the remaining wheel of the live end pulley. This cord will be routed down the track to the second master carrier. Remove the manila tag from the master carrier. line up the cord correctly in front of the wheels of the master carrier. Insert the master carrier into the track, making sure that the cable is in front of the wheels. Route the free cable to the opposite end of the track and thread it through the remaining side of the master carrier. Again, be sure to leave 6 to 8 inches of cable protruding from the master carrier so that tension can be applied later. Insert the second master carrier into the track, making sure that the cord is in front of the wheels and the wheels are facing towards the outside of the track. As you slide the master carrier into the track, make sure the cut ends of the cord remain accessible by feeding them through the slot in the track. Insert the single carriers into the track. Make sure the cord remains on the side of the carrier wheels. Do not place the cord above or between the wheels. For biparting systems, half of the supplied single carriers are inserted into each end of the track. For one-way draw systems, all of the single carriers are inserted behind the single master carrier. Tighten down the mounting bolt of the live end pulley. And also tighten down the mounting bolt of the dead end. The track system is now ready to be mounted to the ceiling. Install the end stop. Determine the position for the master carrier end stop. Drill a hole in the top of the track with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Secure the end stop to the track with the number 10 Phillips head screw provided with the end stop. With the track and the floor pulley mounted, slack is removed from the system by pulling on the cut ends of the cord at the master carrier. Once slack is removed, cut the excess cord at the master carrier as close to the master carrier as possible. Remove the nail from the floor pulley to add additional tension to the system. For additional information on installing this track system, see the manual that was included with the system.